Welcome to the superior apartment for golf, sea, and nature lovers. Found in beautiful Estepona, Spain, this 4-star apartment is an ideal escape for golf enthusiasts, beach lovers, and nature admirers. To book your stay or learn more, check the QR code appearing on screen now or visit the link in the description below. This apartment offers a seamless check-in experience, allowing you to settle in comfortably from 3 p.m. Checkout is available until 11 a.m., providing you with a relaxed departure. Families are warmly welcomed. Children age 0 to 2 stay free of charge. The superior apartment boasts essential amenities, including a convenient desk/workspace for those needing to catch up on work, free parking, and the convenience of an in-unit washer. Beyond the apartment itself, you'll discover a vibrant games room, perfect for unwinding and enjoying some friendly competition. Imagine spending your days on world-class golf courses, exploring the sun-kissed beaches, or hiking through the stunning natural landscapes surrounding Estepona. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, the superior apartment is your perfect home base. If you're ready to experience the perfect blend of luxury, convenience, and location, don't forget to scan the QR code now to book your stay at the superior apartment for golf, sea, and nature lovers in Estepona. We look forward to welcoming you.